Hey everyone, happy Navratri. So this look is all about Navratri season and here is how you can achieve it. Already prepped my skin and now I am applying full coverage foundation, mixing it with primer to give me a radiant and even complexions for the dramatic look. I'm using makeup blender to blend everything well for a seamless finish. Using concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Navratri celebrates goddess Durga and her victory over evil. The festival spans 9 nights and 10 days and each day is dedicated to worshipping one of Durga's manifestations. Navratri is a time for devotion, fasting and vibrant cultural celebrations like Garba and Dandiya. As for makeup, it's a way to express joy and enhance your appearance during the celebration. Makeup adds to the festive vibe. Using translucent powder will help you to set your foundation without altering its color. Make sure to choose the right loose powder that matches your skin tone. Flawless base is very important to keep you looking glam all night. Doesn't matter if you're playing Garba or dancing Dandiya. Now I'm applying liquid blush. Pick a shade that complements your skin tone for a natural look. You can choose color like pink, peaches or coral. Apply blush with your fingertips so that it's a clean and fresh look. I will later use powder blush to set this makeup. Now using bright shade of blue mascara that complements my brown eye. Apply 1 or 2 coats for a more dramatic look. Allow a few seconds between coats to prevent clumping. Bright blue mascara, consider keeping your eyeshadow and eyeliner more neutral to avoid clashing. Fill in your brows with a brow powder as I am doing that shrinks your face, as bold brows really enhance the drama in your makeup. For softer brow look, you can use brow powder with an angle brush to fill in your brows. Brush through your brows to blend the product and soften any harsh line. Starts from the inner part of the brows and move upward. Add more product to the arch of the brows to define it further. This will create a more structured look. Remove any excess product or stray hairs around your brows for a clean, fresh look. Now I will be using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette to create a stunning brown and gold look. This is a great way to enhance your eyes. Revolution's palettes often have a variety of textures. It got matte, shimmery and metallic. Do not hesitate to mix and match shades for different effect. Make sure that you use right brushes because brushes can make a big difference in how well the colors blend and apply. Apply this highlighted golden shade under your eyebrows, focusing on the arch. This will lift your brows area and enhance the overall look. Take your time blending to avoid harsh lines and achieve a soft, seamless look. Applying kajal or kohl can enhance your eyes, making them appear larger and more defined. Here I'm using Maybelline Closet Kajal. Perfect for all-day use. Now I will apply fake lashes because fake lashes can enhance your eye makeup look and make your eye appear larger and more defined. I prefer to cut the lashes in 2 parts. Apply a thin layer of glue along the lash band, then gently press the lash down, starting from the middle and working towards the inner and outer corner. Make sure everything feels comfortable and adjust if necessary. Placement of eyelashes depends upon the eye shape. Try different placement if you have a different shape eye. To add volume, gently press the lash down for seamless transition. Using powder blush can add a beautiful flush of color to your cheeks. Combining it with highlighter can create a radiant, dimensional look that enhances your natural beauty. Apply these 2 products for glowing complexion. This will add instant glow to your face. See how I am applying the highlighter on the high point, cheekbones, nose bridge, cupid bow, brow bone for a lifted effect. Using a makeup fixer spray is an essential step in your makeup routine to ensure longevity and a fresh appearance throughout the day. Applying Lakme 101 Scarlet Lip Mousse can give your lips a vibrant matte finish that is perfect for the occasion. If your lips are dry, before applying this product, make sure to use lip balm. Give the lip mousse a minute to dry and set on your lips. This will help prevent smudging and increase longevity. You can enjoy wearing this beautiful shade for any occasion. Here I am using Lakme eyeliner to define eyes and enhance my overall makeup look. Comment down below your preferred eyeliner, whether it is liquid, gel or pencil. I am using gel liner for a more defined and dramatic look. Adding a black bindi and intricate line design can enhance your Navratri makeup. The black bindi is not just a beautiful accessory, it represents tradition and femininity in Indian culture. Placing it on your forehead adds an elegant touch and enhances the overall look, drawing attention to your eyes and face. Adding line design around the bindi can add extra drama and flair. Create intricate patterns, swirls, or simple lines to highlight your features. These designs are a great way to showcase your creativity and tie your entire makeup look together. Swirls, dots, or even traditional pattern add a unique touch to your look. Adding a design to the lower lip area can really elevate your Navratri makeup look, giving it a unique and artistic touch. You can create a minimalistic design with a few dots or a single line extending from the center of your lower lip. Adding a silver sparkle bindi to your Navratri makeup is a perfect way to elevate your look and add a glamorous festive touch. This adds the perfect amount of sparkle to my festive makeup and gives off a traditional yet glam vibe. Adding these beautiful jhumkas to elevate the entire outfit. Since I don't have Mang Tika, I am using a silver bindi to elevate the look instead. And that's my Navratri look. Let me know your thoughts below and have a great Navratri.